I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb stories. Hitting the gym. Before we start, here are some tips. First, watch and listen to the story. During the story, try to guess the phrasal verb meanings from the context. Next, answer the quiz questions after the story. Then, watch and listen to the story again so you can understand how to use the verbs. After the second listen, there are explanations and examples. Finally, leave a comment below and practice. I'm your YouTube teacher. Hitting the gym. Daniel hit the gym to start working out. He started by warming up his body and stretched out his muscles to prevent injuries. Then he worked hard to tone up his muscles. Finally, after his workout, he cooled down, took a shower, and went home. Quiz time! Pause the video for each question. He went to the gym to work out. What does work out mean? Work outside. Do exercise. Work hard. Exercise outside. That's right, it's B. Do exercise. He started by warming up his body. What does warm up mean? Prepare. Take a hot bath. Put on warm clothes. Raise the temperature. That's right, it's A. Prepare. He stretched out his muscles to prevent injuries. What does stretch out mean? Sleep. Break. Extend. Rest and relax. That's right, it's C. Extend. He worked hard to tone up his muscles. What does tone up mean? Lose weight. Lose muscle definition. Gain weight. Improve muscle definition. That's right, it's D. Improve muscle definition. After his workout, he cooled down. What does cool down mean? Go into cold weather. Take a cold shower. Relax after exercise. Ignore people. That's right, it's C. Relax after exercise. Let's apply it. Watch the video again with the definitions. Repeat the story with me to help you memorize. After, you can see more examples and write your own sentences in the comments section. Hitting the gym. Daniel hit the gym to start working out. He started by warming up his body and stretched out his muscles to prevent injuries. Then he worked hard to tone up his muscles. Finally, after his workout, he cooled down, took a shower, and went home. Examples: Daniel works out every day to maintain his health. Before any strenuous exercise, it's important to warm up. She always stretches out her legs before going for a run. Regular workouts will help you tone up your body. Cooling down is as important as warming up. Phrasal verb extras. Work out can also mean to solve a problem. You can warm up for many things, not just exercise. For example, a test, a performance, or an event. Stretch out can mean extend in other situations, like stretch out the time. Tone up is not common in other situations. Cool down can also mean to become calmer or less angry. Separation. We can separate some phrasal verbs. We have to memorize the verbs we can separate. This is a very difficult skill to learn, and there's no easy way except practice. It's best to repeat what you hear and hope to learn naturally. A great place to practice is the comment section. We can separate warm up, warm yourself up, stretch out, stretch your muscles out, cool down, cool yourself down. We can't separate work out, tone up. Extra examples. She works out every day. I had to work the math problem out in my head. After a long drive, I like to stretch my legs out. Remember to cool yourself down after a run. It's always a good idea to warm your muscles up before working out. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.